Lincoln Aviator, tire change, 2020 model. Does have a spare tire. This little hook here is used to get off the, let me show you the cap. See those little holes? Take this, put it in, it pulls it right out. So when you see this, that's what this is for. Get your cap off. Let's get the tire and start. Lug's already loose. That's enough height. Here's the spare. Yep, that's simple, y'all. 2020 Lincoln Aviator. That's how you change the tire. It's pretty simple. It's a spare in the back. Find the hook. Get the what you call it out of there. The hook for the cap. Take the middle cap off. Get your wheel lock if you need it. That one didn't have wheel locks. And loosen them up. Jack it up. Take the tire off, swap them out, and it's that easy. It took me maybe 5 minutes, probably less. Once I had the tire out, the lugs loose, it took me probably less than 5 minutes to do the whole thing. So that's another one for y'all, 2020 Aviator, tire change. That's right, thank me, you're welcome, Tune in for more. And I'm out of here. I'm back. Let's go get this money.